That's where, for me, the true value of observability lies.
I'm Winston. I'm a product manager here at Honeycomb. And today I have the pleasure of talking to Hazel Weekly, who has been a web developer, an SRE, as an expert in observability, and currently works as a principal architect. Thanks so much for joining me today, Hazel.
Winston, thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure as always, and I'm looking forward to it.
Well, I have one big question for you today, so we'll just jump right into it. What is, in your opinion, the biggest value of observability as practiced on the back end currently you're excited to see taken up as more front end developers start practicing observability on their own engineering practices?
It is a great question. When I think about how the back end really unlocks that value, it's about not just how do the developers and the engineering managers and the engineering side unlock that value and understand the customers. It's about how well does the company understand their users and understand the product and things like that. And so to me, a mature, very rewarding, very like beneficial observability practice is actually going to look a lot more like business intelligence and user market research and things like that, rather than just metrics and all of these sort of operations focused aspects of running a system and keeping it up. Once you have that kind of in there, it turns out that the same type of data, because you have such these wide spans, you can start to add in things that are relevant for marketing, things that are relevant for product management, things that are relevant for feature flagging, and things that are relevant for all of these other aspects of this holistic approach to understanding your users and delivering that value. And I never fail to see product managers have their eyes widen as I explain to them that you can take all of the things that they want to track, all of the numbers that they need to hit for the marketing team to get their success and for the sales team to get their success. I can put that in there, and then you can actually feature flag and gate the release of a code base and the release of a feature per demographic, per like slice based on how popular it is. So if everybody hates it, you can actually automatically roll it back with certain demographics that don't like it, and then you can flag that. Like that is a mind-blowing capability, and it stems from the same exact technology that we use to be able to gate releases based on whether or not they're working. And if you take that definition of working and functionality and you broaden it to not just are the lights on, but are the lights on? Are the users happy? Are they engaged? Are you meeting their needs? That is a really interesting question. And that's where, for me, the true value of observability lies. And when you are right at the heart next to the user, and you're the first thing that the user interacts with before they touch the backend, before they touch anything else, that encompassing ability to really react to their needs, really be able to grab that data and use it cross functionally, that's where, to me, true value starts to be unlocked.
Could not agree more.